Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a estate that is nothing short of a real estate dream. The property has good size, sitting on 0.75 acres. There is breathtaking views, a spectacular location, which is SPUR, Manchester. Plus, we can't forget to mention the astonishing finishes. This property consists of 3 lots with individual titles and 2 houses, which are all selling together. What a great deal! Make contact today to arrange a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 700,000 or Jamaican $110.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.